a sign out there still. Or one of these guys might have bought it up, but there was a little piece right here that was for sale.
Got it. Oh, missed it. Throw it over there, Patty. He's over there. There's another one. There it is. Got it. Oh, this one's got a little size on it.
Found another one over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that net. What's up, guys? Well, it is morning. Figured we'd do a little bit something different this morning and let you guys see what it's like when I take the whole adventure right from the beginning. So this morning you're getting ready to see me leave. I know, something different, but somebody's got to do it, right? See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, it is adventure time. I am driving right now and I am headed to the spot. This is the adventure that I'm forced to take when it's time to go fishing. I know what you guys are thinking, some of you guys. You know the struggle. Hours of driving from one spot to the next. Just trying to find a fish. I'll put my seatbelt on here. I mean, you guys know you drive for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, some of you guys 6, 7 hours in your northern states between lakes. I'll tell you what, it gets real. Just so you know, it gets real as far as like how far people are willing to go. You know, it's a constant battle. Do we go to this lake? Do we go to that lake? What can we do? How can we make it? Where are they biting, you know? Well, one thing that we have found that's been tried and true is the backyard. So when it's time to take these big adventures, you know, hours and hours of preparation and hours of travel, and you're just hoping to get a bite. So, well guys, we're here. See? The struggle. People don't realize I had to stop 2 signs and I had to put my seatbelt on so my car wouldn't ding. So, I mean, other than that, guys, we made it. See you soon. Got it. Oh, looky here. Nice fish. Dink to start the day, huh?
little
Ooh.
guy. What are you throwing again?
They get angry, don't they? Chatterbait. All right, guys. We're starting the day. Let's get a bigger one. Which is a giant fish. I mean, got him. Oh, yeah. Oh, coming out of the water. Watch this, bud. Oh, Patty. Yeah, I'm going to need you, bud. I ain't going to lie to you, man. I'm going to need you.
You got the net, huh?
No, I got him. He's just
all right.
pulling hard.
Got him hooked a little funny there or something. Why is he just dragging out of the water like that?
Because I got him already locked up, bud. I got the big chatterbait on him.
Chatterbait, huh?
Damn chatterbait again, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, guys. You're going to be really super stoked. He's cute, though. He fought from way over there. All right, let's get this underwater. There you go, flirting with the dock. Got it. Oh, he missed it. Saw that?
Yeah.
As soon as I came over that lily pad, boy, he came at it. I'm gonna do it again. Let's see if he's still there. You heard that, right? You saw it too. He whop. Come on, bud, do it again. I dare you. Oh, I might have found the juice right here, bud. We might be fitting to do a little something, something. Chatterbaits for everybody here in a second.
Be a sign out there still. Or one of these guys might have bought it up, but there was a little piece right here that was for sale.
Got it. Oh, missed it. Throw it over there, Patty. He's over there. There's another one. There it is. Got it. Oh, this one's got a little size on it.
Found another one over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that net.
Hang on, yeah.
Oh! You saw that, right? You saw that, right?
Yeah, he was big.
Going with zip wrap, huh? Got it. Oh. Damn it. I mean, you seeing this? I mean, what seems to be the problem though? Like, why am I not hooking up? You understand what I'm saying? Because I'm getting good hook sets.
Weak wrists.
It is, it's limp. I've got limp wrist syndrome. I eat Whopper Juniors. You know what I'm saying? Because my small hands. So, but there are a bunch of fish over here, guys. If you want chatterbaits, let me know. I gotta come off a couple of drag points there, because that's just telling me that something's going on. All right, I'm going down one drag point here. That's 3 missed fish, you know what I'm saying? 1 missed fish, all right, it happens. 2, you know, getting sloppy. 3, okay, we're all set here, you know what I'm saying? Something else is totally going on.
running a steady retrieve, or are you
Yeah,
stopping?
bro, I'm not doing anything. I'm not burning it back, but I'm not coming back slow enough for it to fall. I'm just wing, 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 wing. That's my beat. I haven't done any pops. I'm not doing any jiggles. I'm not doing nothing. Got it. Oh, it's good. It's good. Uncle Tim said, "Are you f***ing kidding me?" Yes, Uncle Tim. This is what happens.
You got the bait today for sure.
Boom! Z-Man chatterbait, bro. Are you kidding me? Guys, this is the third one, okay? I've missed a giant. I've missed several other fish, but let me show you this right here. This is the deal, guys, right here. The Z-Man chatterbait with the deal trailer and the Razor Shad Z's, guys. Nothing gets better. Well, guys, that was a ton of fun. We had a good time today. Uncle Tim came down from Maryland, moving to Florida. Good times. Thanks for being a camera guy and hanging out, Uncle Tim. And I didn't do so good. I'm not as happy as I thought I was going to be. I've got a long ride home to think about it and decide what I'm going to do different next time. Because going, what, 3 for 7? I don't know, man. That big that got off was 5.5, 6 pounds easy. I was very upset with that. That wasn't a lot of fun, but you know, these things happen. Got cameras going crazy all around me. I don't know what's going on with these things, but yeah, like I said, man, I got a long ride home. It's gonna take a while to ponder what differently I can do next time. I tried swim jigs and Sinkos and you name it, man, and nothing, but the old chatterbait, boy, the Z-Man chatterbait, ended up winning the deal for us and really making some serious fish catches. That thing's a lot of fun. But I don't know, something was weird because I was losing a lot of fish. But, well, guys, it is official. I am home. Long trip. I just put it in super fast forward speed so you guys wouldn't know what was going on. But till next time, guys, see ya.